Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to restart your device using the command prompt. So as you may know, with the command prompt, you can actually restart your device in the future, in 10 minutes time, in 30 minutes time, or even in 1 hour's time. So if I go to, let me just go to my search and then enter CMD. So I'm going to actually start the command as an administrator. So let's just run this as administrator because that is what I prefer, because starting the command prompt just as a user may actually sometimes prevent you from performing some activities. So if I enter the following command, shutdown, arrow, which means that I want to actually restart this device, but I can decide to use the following command T and just put, let me just put about 360. So by restarting it, which will tell me that my device is going to restart, you can see Windows will shut down in 6 minutes. So which means that my device is going to restart. But let's try to restart our device now. So what I'm going to do is, by doing the T, if I try to restart my device just with this command, it's going to start in less than a minute. But if I do the following T and then enter 0, and I hit enter, my device is going to start immediately without giving me any warning. But without me adding that 0, the time and the 0 to it, it's going to give me some opportunity for me, like 60 seconds, for me to be able to actually close every single application that I open, maybe close my program. So right now you can see that my device just is trying to restart. So that's how you can also restart a remote device. If you have access, if you actually use like the PS Connect to actually connect to a remote device, you can actually restart that remote device using the command prompt. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. Bye.